Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix iPhone storage full even after deleting files. So there is multiple solutions that we can do to fix that problem. The first one is to empty the recently deleted album, and you can find that album by going to Photos, and after that Collection, and you scroll down until you find Deleted. You have just to open it and empty it. Open that file. It will require password or your Face ID, and delete what you will find inside it. The second thing that you can do is to check what is actually using the storage of your iPhone by going to Settings, and after that to General, and after that to iPhone storage, and check here, as you can see, what's actually using the storage of your phone. So for example, in my case, most of my storage is used by applications. And after that, there is another thing that you can do is to restart your phone, because the storage figures may not be updated like directly after deleting large files especially. So by restarting your iPhone and checking, your iPhone will give you the real storage used and free. Also, you can use or delete the large message attachments if you had received message attachment. Another thing that you can do is to offload unused apps. So if you are not using an application, you can go to Settings and Storage, of course, and after that go to check all the applications that you have on your phone. And as you can see, for example, for me, Filmora application is using almost 12 gigabytes, even though I'm not using this application that much, but the cache of that application became huge. So what I can do in that case is to offload the app directly, and offloading means that it will remove the files that came with the application and install it again when I need it. Or it's better if I'm not using that app to directly delete that app, and when I will install it the next time, this document and data will become 0 because they will be all deleted, and it will use only 500 megabytes, which are the document size. And as you can see, all those are files that are created by the application. Even though I deleted them, it always keep some backup or something like that of those app. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.